Good morning, guys. So today I'm going to do some jalapenos, but I'm going to do some candied jalapenos or Cowboy candy. I picked these all out of the garden. I've been picking for about a week out of my garden. So you can see a couple of them are a little bit softer than the other ones, like this one that I just picked not that long ago. You can see. But anyway, so I'm going to be giving these a wash. I'm just going to wash them in the bowl. And I'm going to cut them up. I'm not going to do that on film because I'm not about to touch these and then touch my camera. I'm not that silly. So I'm going to wash these and yeah, I'm going to give these a good washing. And then I'll bring you guys back in a moment when I start making the, I guess you'd say the brine for these. So we'll be back in a few moments. Okay, so now let's make the brine for this. So you need 2 cups of apple cider vinegar, and I will post the link to the recipe where I got this from. 6 cups of sugar, oh, hold on, okay, and half a teaspoon of turmeric, a teaspoon of celery seed. Oops, new jar. Okay. Half a teaspoon celery seed and 3 teaspoons of garlic powder. Now this is my first time making these. My kids love jalapeno stuff. To tell you the truth, I kind of do too, but it just doesn't always agree with me. But anyway, so we're going to put this on the stove and let it simmer and the sugar melt and all of that fun jazz. And I'll bring you guys back after I have all of my jalapenos washed and de-seeded, because I'm actually going to remove all the seeds, and cut into rings. So I'll bring you guys back in just a few moments. Alright, so I have all my jalapenos cut up. I have simmered this and brought it up to boil. Now I did just shut it off because I had to go do something. So I got a whole bunch of stuff stuck to the sides. Just gotta try and get that off. But anyway, so I'm now going to add my jalapenos. Now I know I'm going to have extra brine, but that's okay because I'm going to can it and save it. So how much do I have here? I have pretty much 3 cups worth of chopped up jalapenos. I did take as much of the seeds and the brine off as I could. I really don't want to touch this. I just washed my hands. We're going to get this in there. I'm going to get these nicely coated, and we're going to simmer these for 4 minutes, according to the recipe, for 4 minutes, which makes sense, just to kind of get the juice out and get them go. Oh, I got a stem in there. Let's get that out of there. I don't really want that in there. Must have wound up in the wrong bin. Oh well. Okay, so we'll be back in 4 minutes. Okay, so these have simmered and they're all happy and go lucky. Sorry, it looked like there was something on my spoon, but there isn't. Okay, so what I'm going to do now is I'm going to scoop out these jalapenos. Oh yeah, I have enough for this jar. I don't need the other one. I have 2 of these sitting beside me here. You want to leave at least ½ inch headspace. Oh, maybe I won't get them all in there. Ouch. I got room. Actually, you know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna scoop some of these out and put them into the other jar, and then this way I got a little bit of jalapenos in this little jar as well, so I'll have more than just one. There we go. So now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to fill this up with the brine.
It dried all of my top skin.
Oh, this one's definitely going to need a good cleaning. What?
It dried all my top skin.
Yeah.
I've been having my hand face down like this for so long. I actually got a welt in my finger.
Okay, we're just debubbling here. Yeah, I got a lot in that jar, but that's okay. Okay. So let's wipe these rims.
This one.
I'm doing something right at this very second. I will look at it when I'm done. I don't think you want me touching your hand as I'm touching jalapenos, do you?
No, that's like touching chilies and then putting them on your hand.
Okay. Alright, so we're going to just get our rims nice and clean.
I can grab a cup.
There we go. Nice and clean. I'm going to put a lid on it. And I do have a wide mouth lid in here somewhere. Where are you? Oh, of course, you're way down there. Oh, way down the bottom. There we go. Put that on there. And you're going to want to can this in the water bath canner for 15 minutes. Now, I just need to get my other jars out of the canner because I'm not getting rid of that brine. Oh, no, 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 no. Because I do have more jalapenos out in my garden. And I will just crack open a jar of this, and after I've cut them, like after I've washed and cut them, and I can continue on with this, and then whatever is left over I can save and use as a glaze on meats and that. Because this probably has a very good flavor to it now that jalapenos have been boiled in it. Let's give it a little taste and see. Oh yeah, it's sweet but spicy, and from what I understand it does mellow out as it sits. Well, that is really nice. Such a lovely back note of spice. This might be my new sweet chili sauce. Ooh, so look at that. I don't have a jar's worth there, but I'm going to figure that out. But anyway, I'm just going to wipe these and they'll go in the canner for the 15 minutes too. So I'll bring you guys back when we're all done. Okay, so we've got the 2 jars that have the jalapenos in them. They both, everything here is sealed. And then I've got 3, no, I got 2.5 pints here of the sauce that I will continue to use while canning up the rest of my jalapenos, and whatever is left over I will save and use it as like a sweet and savory, or not savory, sweet and spicy marinade, like brush on the barbecue stuff and that for meats. But yes, so I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I will talk to you again pretty soon. Bye.